Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile TigerDad Over Bed Table with wheels. A must-have for anyone seeking convenience and functionality in their home or office. This adjustable rolling laptop table, perfect for use as an overbed desk or a sofa chair side table, offers a height range from 23.6 to 37.4 inches, allowing you to customize it to your needs. With its safety rolling laptop cart design, it features an edge stopper to prevent your laptop from sliding off, ensuring your devices stay secure. The table is equipped with 4 casters, each with a brake, making it easy to move around and lock in place wherever you need it. Whether you're using it as a mobile overbed laptop table, a rolling bedside table, or a convenient seat table with wheels, this product is designed to enhance your workspace flexibility. Assembly is required, but don't worry, as the package includes all necessary tools and an easy-to-follow assembly guide. Experience the perfect blend of mobility and stability with the TigerDad Over Bed Table, and transform your working or relaxing environment today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.